I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening TikTok and tapping the plus icon to enter live mode. This immediately puts you in the right interface. Once in the live preview, make sure you tap the settings or edit icon near the thumbnail area so you can change the display image. You want the image available locally, saved to your camera roll, or uploaded to drafts. That makes selection instant. If you don't see the settings, swipe or look for 3 dots. Those hide extra controls. Next, you choose the photo and tailor it for live display. Tap the thumbnail or the labeled Edit Cover control, then pick a photo from your library. Make sure to use the crop tool to match TikTok's frame, typically 16:9 or square for mobile preview, and position the focal area so text or faces aren't cut off. Once done, preview how it looks in the live layout. Small tweaks now prevent awkward framing during your broadcast. Finally, save the cover and return to your live preview to verify the image updated correctly. You should see the new thumbnail instantly. Before you go fully live, start a quick private or limited test live so you can confirm the crop, clarity, and that it shows on other accounts. If the photo doesn't update, make sure to clear app cache, restart TikTok, or log out and back in. Those steps force the app to refresh and usually resolve stuck covers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.